back to Beena's Notebook. I hope you all are learning something new through my channel. Today there is something very interesting and I hope you all are going to like it. So before I start, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell button icon and stay tuned till the end. And please don't forget to watch the full video. This video is the continuation of the last one. Here we are going to learn some more phrases in an easy way which you can use it in your daily doings. These phrases are so common that you might have come across several times, but possibly you might have paid attention or not. So let us know some of these phrases today in an easy way. So before I commence, let me tell you that every language has its own idioms and expressions. The English language has plenty of phrases that are useful to learn. So we should keep updating ourselves and keep learning these phrases to make our English language standard, striking and impressive. Probably you heard some of these phrases especially in TV shows and movies and wondered why can't we understand these, although you understand fully the words. To learn English idioms and expressions, it can take some time because there are many. But today in this video, we are going to learn some of the most popular phrases that will come in handy if you know them. Watch all the videos properly and listen carefully. Here we go.
मुखिया जी, हमारी फैक्ट्री के लिए ये जगह परफेक्ट है, मगर यहाँ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग मैनेजर्स कहाँ मिलेंगे?
Excuse me, sir. Please don't judge a book by its cover.
Did you understand what the phrase "don't judge a book by its cover" mean? The meaning of this phrase is to not judge someone or something based solely on appearance. It is a metaphorical phrase. It has got metaphorical meaning, not literal meaning of the words. For example, that man may look very small and insignificant, but don't judge a book by its cover. Okay? It means that we should not judge someone by the appearance, how he looks, how she looks. हमें कभी भी किसी को देख के, उसकी खूबसूरती को देख के, उसके पहनावे को देख के कभी भी ये जज नहीं करना चाहिए कि वो इंसान कैसा है. The second phrase is when pigs fly. Do you think that pigs can fly in this manner or this way? Of course not, definitely not. So when you come across these phrase, when pigs fly, you can make the sense by its meaning that it is clearly says that it is an impossible task. The meaning of the phrase when pigs fly mean something that will never happen. For example, I might wake up early tomorrow to clean my room. Yes, you will do when pigs fly. That means something is not going to happen. You can only say. What happened to you? I am actually feeling under the weather. Under the weather? What do you mean by that? You are not under the weather. You are under the blanket. Blanket would be the correct word. Okay? No, Under the blanket is my physical and practical condition. Under the weather is a phrase and it does not have its literal meaning. It means... The third phrase is to feel under the weather. The meaning is to be ill or feel ill. The sentence is, we had a heavy lunch today and now I am feeling a bit under the weather. That means I am not feeling well. So you can use this phrase instead of saying I am feeling ill. Okay?
Veena, what are you doing? Do it fast.
Please wait, yaar. If I won't hit on the head of the nail, the work will not get done. So please wait. The fourth phrase is hit the nail on the head. In order to work get done, I am hitting upon the head of the nail. And if I beat around the bush, it won't work. Hit on the nail can be taken as an opposite sense of beating around the bushes. The meaning is be accurate, write about something, find the exact answer. The sentence is Rahul hit the nail on the head when he said what the company was lacking in was clear vision and focus. So always use these common English phrases to make your speaking attractive and impressive. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you can't understand English idiom and phrases, you will not be able to understand the context. That's why it is my advice to you to learn common English phrases to sound more confident, especially when you speak. So till then, stay tuned, stay safe, keep watching Veena's Notebook. See you soon. Bye bye.